Explaining common accounting terms, part 1. So, you've started your business, you know what you're selling, you are excited to get started, but now the reality hits you. What the hell does all this accounting jargon mean? If only it were taught in school the same way that French or Spanish is, that would be so much easier. Our next 2 videos will hopefully clear some things up for you, so you can understand what your accountant is talking about and exactly what is going on in your business. Accounts payable. This means money owed by a business to its suppliers. So if you are selling clothing and you source your fabrics from a supplier who invoices you, rather than paying up front, you then owe your supplier money for this order. This is your accounts payable. Accounts receivable. This refers to money that customers owe your business for any products or services you have sold to them. If you are an electrician or a plumber, you would invoice clients for any work you have completed, and they would pay you afterwards. This would be your accounts receivable. Assets. An asset is simply anything that has current or future economic value to a business. This could include any property your business owns, or any machinery or equipment you have purchased which is required to run your business. Liabilities. If you or your company owes money, then this would be classed as a liability. This could include loans, mortgages, or accrued expenses, or any tax owed to HMRC. Balance sheet. This is a summary of the financial balance of your business. It will contain details of a company's assets or liabilities and the amount of profit or loss you have made. Financial statements. These are financial reports which your accountant will use to summarize your business's financial health and forecast how they expect it to perform in the future. Cashflow forecast. Your cash flow forecast is an estimate of your company's future financial position based on past amount of income and expenditure in previous months. We hope this video has helped you understand these terms a little more. Follow us to make sure you don't miss out on part 2.